real sweet, top flow. Price got cheap, you just let them go. Well, watch my niggas spend 100K on the plane watch. Told him give me 10 more days, I'ma give me one.
Ankle Bleeding Gang, Horror Nights 2025.
My first Horror Nights.
Yeah, Nat's first Horror Nights. Supposed to go last week, we both were sick. So we called and they were very nice and they rescheduled us to today. It's a national holiday. Just got his and tomorrow Nintendo Direct. So a lot to celebrate today. So yeah, I think Monster Friends. Yeah, and then there's the 4 things on her shirt too. Raising Cane's. You excited?
Yeah.
You excited for all the food you can eat there?
I get the toast, I get the fries, and I get the sweet.
Hell yeah. Which maze are you most excited for, Nat?
Five Nights at Freddy's, and honestly, kind of a little bit Fallout.
Okay, why is that?
Because I watched half of the first season within the span of 24 hours.
Awesome.
And I want to see what they do.
For me, very excited for Terrifier, Five Nights at Freddy's, of course. The Monsters of Latin America one, because I've been staying spoiler-free, because I'm weird. But yeah, if it sounds good, then hopefully it's good. We're in, the flag is at half-mast. We're going to Terrifier and Poltergeist first. They're in the way back, and
It's a walk.
I'm pumped. And we've got the most beautiful piece of art ever made right here. The only reason I've continued to breathe. Good God.
Whoa.
You ready to get geisted?
Yeah.
Poltered?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I want to get poltered and geistered.
Oh my God. Poltergeist was awesome.
I really liked it.
They had, we watched the movie a couple weeks ago. It was fucking sick. They had the big, scary nightmare guy.
The big skull guys that they keep.
Yeah, there were 2.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I always like when they have animatronics. They do it a lot at Knott's, but not a lot here. But the big skull was pretty sick.
Yeah, I don't know any of the stuff from Universal. I only know Knott's.
Yeah, but Terrifier is about to be hype, I hope. We'll see. I think Nat's gonna skip it though.
I don't want to, if it smells like meat, I don't eat meat. So why, I haven't eaten meat in a decade. I gag if I smell my dad cooking bacon.
Terrifier.
What did you think?
I think if they had not been so keen on making it sound like the best thing ever, I would have liked it more because my expectations were very high. Do I look wet? They said I was gonna get wet. I got little squirts. There was 3 smells and it was meat, bleach, and poo-poo.
Ew!
But it was really minor. It was really,
Ew!
Yeah. Because they had the poop room and then the second one.
Oh, I would not have done
Okay,
that.
yeah. There was a twist.
What was the twist?
You go into a place and it like says employees only and there's like a fake, sorry, spoiler alert. There's a fake employee standing there and he's like, hey, you're not supposed to be here. And then Art cuts his neck open. It was fun. The Poltergeist was definitely my favorite so far though. That one was really good.
I really liked how they did the like skull face thing.
Yeah. My beauty. As the sun sets on the most beautiful the Star Walk or Starway, whatever it's called. It's called something like that. What are we doing?
Five Nights at Freddy's.
We're in Transformers, and they just changed the line ride video to just say Five Nights at Freddy's. They didn't change the screens in this room, though. But that's an interesting choice or lack thereof. Holy crap, Five Nights at Freddy's. Holy crap, Five Nights at Freddy's. This woman won't stop talking about Josh Hutcherson as if Chica isn't in there. The obvious most fuckable character in the movie.
He's like 5'5". He's just...
Chica's like 7 feet tall and a chicken. Oh, baby. Oh, man. Here we go. Which Five Nights at Freddy's is your favorite?
I like the pink one. What is it?
The pink one? I don't know. What animal? What kind of animal is it? The line said 45 minutes. It's been an hour and a half.
Yeah, we've been in line since 7.
Yeah, it's about 8:35. But that's okay, because Freddy's. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
If you're watching this video, it means you responded. Congratulations.
So Five Nights at Freddy's, we've been on a whole expedition since then.
Yeah.
Because we had to get a drink, we had to get food, had to say hi to Art the Clown, had to pee, etc. Now we're at Chucky's bar. There's a cute little Chucky over there. But the Five Nights at Freddy's maze was fucking awesome.
I really liked it.
They clearly knew they had to do it justice, and I think they did.
I mean, it was more animatronics than scare actors, but I liked that.
No, I like that too. But in the first room, I'll put footage. The first room I walked in, well, I guess it's kind of the second one, and I was like, oh my fucking God. I literally would pay them another like $67 or whatever I paid to be here to sit in that room for like 45
You
minutes.
didn't see that there was an employee who was like trying to go like this to move you along.
Come on, come on, I've been waiting my whole life. But yeah, as it stands, I'd say Five Nights at Freddy's, Poltergeist, Terrifier, but they're all good.
Rate it, but I can't rate Terrifier.
Yeah, she doesn't want to go into the poop room. I ate the Fallout burger. I can feel a third eye growing in my throat right now. Nat, what did you get?
I got the vegetarian meatloaf.
She got the vegetarian meatloaf. Leave a comment below. Chucky the doll or Chuck E. Cheese? Who you got? Just in general.
That's controversial.
That's what I'm trying to settle it once and for all. Look, they have this one every year, but they have a baby.
I like that.
Starting last year, they had a baby. Nat is bewildered.
I think it's fun.
We're doing the Fallout maze. It's the only one.
Previous knowledge on it.
She has previous knowledge on it. Crazy shit going on right now. The vibes are absolutely Universal Horror Nights 9/11 flag half mast for a Nazi. We're so up. The scare zones. Whoa! Tell me what you thought of the Fallout house.
I liked the really tiny bodies that swung about. I liked that, and I liked the bear thing.
The bear thing was cool. It was scarier than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a baby, like there was a baby one last year.
But I kept waiting for the cockroaches because they kind of like displayed.
Yeah, they just put them on the screen. I thought it was good. It was the worst one I think so far, but it was not bad.
Yeah.
Like I've done worse in previous years. We're gonna board the Terror Tram. Very exciting. You excited? Scary Tram. I'm excited to see Megan. I really like Megan.
Play someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me.
They're playing Kendrick. Terror Tram was good. It was like kind of the same as last year. You like it?
I liked it because I got very excited because I saw a little sign that said Insidious, and I got very excited.
And then
Touch me.
that's the point.
They all almost touched me.
I think that's what they do. So, we're going to see the Purge Waterworld thing. I saw it last year. It's awesome. Excited to see it again. The Purge.
Dangerous Waters.
Purge show. What do we think?
I really liked it.
Me too. It was relevant.
It is relevant, and I also didn't expect them to be on little things on the water.
Oh, the jet skis. Oh my God, it's so
The
good.
guy fell.
She hasn't seen the real Waterworld, but that I don't know. The rave music really does. And the lights. I don't know. I actually don't know which one I prefer.
I will have to see Waterworld.
Yeah, we'll do it soon. So unfortunately, we had to cut Horror Nights a little early. It was like 1. We were gonna go till 2, but we had to dip, and I did not have time to record a proper outro. So this is that. Thank you so much for watching. What we're gonna do is we're gonna return to Horror Nights. I got the Frequent Fear Pass, and Nat is just gonna buy another ticket. We're gonna go back. We're gonna finish out what mazes we feel like we need to do, and we're going to crush it, and I'm going to make a second vlog. So subscribe, stay tuned for that. Tatsu is good. Bye bye.